Hi, welcome to iSpeak's PowerPoint Tips and Tricks. Today's module is called SmartArt. SmartArt is a quick and easy way to make a visual representation out of your information. For example, maybe you've got a generic SWOT analysis, our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, just listed on a bulleted list. With SmartArt, you can quickly, and I mean quickly, within seconds, turn it into a really nice visual representation. The same for a longer bulleted list in this example here of launching new virtual workshops. A boring bulleted list within seconds can be a graphical representation of that same information. The steps are simple. You start by going to Insert SmartArt on the menu bar. Second, you choose a SmartArt graphic. There's over 200 to pick from. Let me demonstrate. Insert on the menu bar, SmartArt, and I'm going to scroll down and choose any number of the 200 that are listed here. This is one of my favorites. It's called a vertical curved list. When I click OK, it inserts the image onto the slide. Over here on the left is where I can type my text. This is where point 1 goes, and then I can go down here to point 2, and then down to point 3. If you have more than 3 points, you simply hit enter, and it will add that 4th point. The graphic will automatically adjust, so I can type point 4 and then continue to down to point 5, and then maybe realizing I don't have 5 points, simply backspace, and it will adjust my diagram back down to 4 points. That's how simple SmartArt is. Once you've got the document created, there's lots of options that you can do. Let me show you another way to create the diagram. You can simply highlight the text that you want to convert. You'll right-click on the text, choose the option that says Convert to SmartArt. It's going to give you 20 different options that you can pick from. To access the other 200, you simply go to where it says More SmartArt Graphics. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to take all of the text here on the screen, highlight it, right-click, click on Convert to SmartArt, and I'm going to go here to these arrows and this continuous block process, and that's how quickly I can create this. If I don't like this particular diagram, it's super simple to change. I'm going to go up to the menu bar, click on SmartArt Design. I'm going to drop down the list of all of the layouts. If I don't see a layout that I want to use, I can come down here to More Layouts, where I'll see all 200 listed. Find the diagram that you want to use. Let me find one. I'll click on it, and I'll click OK. And the new diagram will be instantly created. That's how simple we can create it, how simple we can adjust it, and then we can make any adjustments afterwards. I can rearrange these. Over here on the left side, I can move it from left to right if that's where I want it to be. I can even choose this first one, communication, and move it down. It'll swap it with training if I needed to rearrange any of the options. Very, very simple to do. Next, let's talk about changing those layouts after you're finished. So SmartArt's finished. I simply click back on that SmartArt diagram, go up to the SmartArt Design menu, and then drop down the list. And that's how easy it is within a single click to change the diagram. So anytime I want to change it, go back to SmartArt Design, drop down the list, change it to a new format. That simple. Next, let's talk about changing the colors. If I don't like the default colors, mine defaulted to a dark blue, I'll simply, again, click on the diagram, go to SmartArt Design, and then there's this option here for me to change the colors. I can grayscale it, so it's just a simple gray diagram. I can make it orange or with dark colors, or maybe I want to choose one of these pre-designed accent colors. And I can just simply hover over any of these to change it. What I personally like is I'm not good trying to coordinate colors. In a single click, I've got coordinated colors that have been done by a PowerPoint color expert. Other little things that I can go back and do at this point, there's another menu right next to the colors where I can put a moderate effect, or I can do a subtle effect, or if I really like, I can create this intense effect, all these within just a click. Also, right below that, I can make any one of these 3D. So it's got that extra little punch so that it's got that nice pop look to it. So this is as simple as it takes. Now, the last thing that I want to show you, sometimes I want to go back and I want to make individual adjustments to a shape. To do this, I'm going to select the SmartArt image. I'm going to go up to the SmartArt design menu again, and I'm going to go over here to the far right where it says convert. And I'm going to convert that image into shapes. Now, they are simply a bunch of shapes. I'm going to take it one step further because I'm not finished yet. I'm going to take my shapes, have them selected. I'm going to go up to shape format. I'm going to go over here to group, and I'm going to ungroup all of those shapes. Now, every one of the shapes within the SmartArt image are individual items that can be dragged around the screen and moved however I would like to move those. That's how simple it is to create SmartArt, convert to images, and then ungroup for you to be able to move them around if you needed to have that type of flexibility. SmartArt is a great way to very quickly convert your text into a visual representation that really has that nice pop to it. So that's as simple as it is. We're going to ungroup those and we go from there. iSpeak offers a variety of public speaking and enhanced communication workshops. We hope you're able to attend one of our sessions. Please connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to seeing you in an instructor-led or a virtual-led workshop.